Hi students, in this video I am going to solve some questions in chapter Arithmetic Progressions 2023 Public Exam CBSE paper. Okay. So here the question is Prerana saves 32 rupees during the first month, okay, and 36 rupees in the second month, okay, and 40 rupees in the third month. Okay. So this is in AP, right? See, the difference is 4 no? This is in arithmetic progression and they are asking if she continues to save in this manner, in how many months will she save 2000 rupees they are asking. So we have to find the number of months taken to have the amount 2000 rupees. So what are the given we will write students. So A is equal to 32, that is the first term, and what is the common difference D? Formula is A2 minus A1, that is equal to 36 minus 32 gives how much? 4. And here they have given Sn, sum of n terms they have given as 2000 and we have to find the value of n, that is number of months. Okay. So what is the formula? Let us write down the formula. Very easy students, write the formula first. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Apply all the values. 2000 is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 32 plus n minus 1 into 4. Now solve students. I am going to transpose this 2 towards LHS side. It will become 4000. 2000 into 2 gives 4000. That is equal to n into 64 plus, and distribute this 4 to these two terms. You will get 4n minus 4. Clear? So now what we are having, n into we are having. So distribute property, apply here the distributive property. Clear? So what you will get, I am going to write here students. So 4000 will be equal to 64n plus 4n into n gives 4n square minus 4n. Okay. Now transpose this 4000 also towards RHS side. What you will get? 64n plus 4n square minus 4n minus 4000 will be equal to 0. Okay. Now we are getting a quadratic equation. If you observe carefully, you will get a quadratic equation. This is 4n square minus 4n plus 64n. How much? 60n. So bigger number sign is plus. So plus 60n minus 4000 will be equal to 0. Okay. So now take out the common number in all the three terms. In all the three terms we are having 4, that is n square plus 4 ones are 4. Difference is 2. 4 5s are 20 minus 1000 will be equal to 0. So into 4 after transposing becomes divided by 4. So 0 divided by 4 gives 0. Okay. So the quadratic equation we got is n square plus 15n minus 1000 will be equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation students. Okay. How to solve this? Easy method is take prime factorization for this 1000. Okay. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Okay. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25 and 5 5s are 25. So what is the combination we have to take to split the middle term 15n? Okay. To get the product 1 into 1000 gives 1000, right? So let us see 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8, 8 5s are 40 and 25. Let us take 40 and 25. So if you take 40 and 25, will you get 15? Yes, we will get. Okay. So the bigger, so if 15 is having positive symbol, bigger number sign should be there. Positive. So 40n minus 25n minus 1000 will be equal to 0. Now solve the quadratic equation n into n plus 40. Here also you should get n plus 40. Here you have to write one sign and number. Here minus 25. Okay. So take out the common terms. N plus 40 is common here students. So the remaining part is n minus 25 is equal to 0. Now equate n plus 40 to 0 and n minus 25 to 0. You will get the answer as n is equal to minus 40. Okay, and n is equal to 25. So we got two values. So which one we have to take, students? Which one we have to take? So negative values, avoiding the negative integers. So we have to avoid negative integers. Okay. Take positive integers only. Okay. Take positive integers. So what will be our answer? So our answer will be 25. So in how many months she is taking to save 2000 rupees? So therefore number of months will be equal to 25. Did you understand, students? Students, the next question is find the sum of all integers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. So 50 and 500, we have to take the numbers, integers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. Okay. Okay, after 50, let us see after 50 what are the numbers divisible by 7, students. So 7 sevens are 49 we will get, and 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. Okay, 7 tens are 70, 7 elevens are 77, and this goes on up to how much? And this goes on up to how much, students? So here up to 500 they are asking. So what is the number divisible? So before 500, what is the number? 499. Let us check whether this is divisible by 7 or not. 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. What is the difference? 2 is the difference. So this is division is not possible here. So what is the number we have to take? So let us take 497 divided by 7. Here 7 sevens are 49 and 7 ones are 7. Okay. So 497 is divisible by 7. So up to 497. This is our AP students. So in this way you have to find out the numbers between 50 and 500 which are divisible by 7. Okay. Now they are asking find the sum of all integers. So what we have to do? They are asking us to find sum of all the integers, means Sn we have to find. So what are the given numbers? A is the first term, that is 56, and common difference we will get as A2 minus A1, that is equal to 63 minus 56. How much, students? What is D here? 63 minus 56. How much? 7. Okay. So write the formula and just very simple, students. Just you have to know the formula. So formulas are very much important in mathematics. Okay. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So what is the value of n here? What is the value of n? So how many are there, students? So how will you find the value of n? Okay. So here, see, 497 means this is the last term. See here, this is 56 is the first term, 63 second term, this is third term, this is fourth term, and so on up to last term we know, that is an. So from an we are going to find the value of n. Is it clear? So what is the formula for an? That is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So an we have, so an they have given, so an is equal to 497. Clear, students? So 497 will be equal to 56 plus n minus 1 into 7. Now solve. Transpose 56. So 497 minus 56 will be equal to n minus 1 into 7. So this one how much, students? 7 minus 6, 1. And 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. That is equal to n minus 1 into 7. So into 7 transpose this side, 441 divided by 7 will be equal to n minus 1. So 441 divided by 7, how much, students? 7 6 are 42. Difference 2 1 7 3 are 21. That is equal to n minus 1. So 63. Solve for n students. You know very well this one. So what is the value of n we got? So therefore n is equal to we got 64. Now apply all the given values. Okay. So what is S and n? 64 by 2 into 2 into 56 plus n minus 1. So n is 64 minus 1 into d7. Right. So just solve 64 divided by 2 how much? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 56 into 2 how much? 112 plus 64 minus 163 into 7. Clear students? That is equal to 32 into 112 plus 63 into 7. How much students? 7 3s are 21, 2 1, 42, 441. Now add these two. 32 into 112 plus 441. How much? 355. 553. So multiply 32 into 553 students. Tell me the answer. How much? So the answer is 17,696. So sum of n terms means we have to add all the terms. Means so 56 plus 63 plus 70 plus 77 plus so on up to 497. You have to add all the numbers. Then how much you will get? They are asking the sum of n terms. How much we got? 17,696. Did you understand students? So sum of all integers between 50 and 500. Okay. Students, the next question is how many numbers lie between 10 and 300 which when divided by 4 leaves remainder 3. Okay, when divided by 4 leaves remainder 3 they are asking. So first let us write the numbers which are divisible by 4 first. Okay. So what are the numbers divisible by 4 between 10 and 300? Okay. 12, 16, 20, 24. This goes on up to what is the last number divisible by 4. Okay. So let us check 300, 299, 298. Is it divisible by 4 or not? Okay. 7s are 28. 16. This is not divisible. Okay. So let us take 296. Okay. 4 sevens are 28. 29 4 4s are 16. Okay. 296 is the last number. So these are the numbers. These are the numbers which are divisible by 4 between 10 and 300. But they are not asking divisible by 4. They are asking divided by 4. After dividing by 4, the remainder should be 3 they are asking. If you divide all these numbers with 4, the remainder we will get how much? Remainder we will get 0. Clear? So 12 divided by 4 gives remainder 0. 16 divided by 4 remainder 0. 296 divided by 4 remainder 0. Clear? So now they are asking we have to write the numbers in such a way that the remainder should be 3. So what we have to do? Just add 3 to all numbers over. Okay. So 12 plus 3 how much? 15. 16 plus 3 how much? 19. Okay. 23. 27. So on. And last number 299. But here 15 is not the first number. Okay. So before this we will have 8. 8 plus 3 how much? 11. So 11 is between 10 and 300 now. So 11 also we have to take. Okay. So the first term is 11 and the common difference is 4 and last term is 299. Okay. They are asking us to find the numbers. How many numbers are they asking? So we have to find the value of n. So what is the formula, students? You know the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. So an we have 299. that is equal to A11 plus N. We have to find minus 1 into D is 4. Okay. So now transpose this 11, you will get 299 minus 11 will be equal to, and distribute or keep it as it is, n minus 1 into 4. Okay, 299 minus 11 gives 288, and transpose this into 4 towards this side, you will get 288 by 4 is equal to n minus 1. Now I am going to solve here, students. So this answer gives 72 is equal to n minus 1. So 72, just solve, students. I think you know solving. So 73 will be equal to n. Okay. So how many numbers are there between 10 and 300? Okay. 73 numbers are there. Okay. You have to write the steps. Okay. Numbers lie between. Therefore, 73 numbers lie between. You have to write full form, students. Okay. 10 and 300 divisible by 4 and leaves remainder 3. Did you understand, students? So students, we got the value of n. So after finding the numbers, so what they are asking us to do? They are asking to find the sum also. What is the sum they are asking? So we know the formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right, we are going to use this formula, students. So n, how much we got? 73 by 2 into 2 into a 11 plus n how much? 73 minus 1 into d how much? 4. Is it clear? Okay, students. So 73 divided by 2 into 22 plus 72 into 4. Solve this, students. 73 divided by 2, I am going to keep as it is. So 22 plus 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28. Okay. So Sn, sum of n terms, is equal to 73 by 2 into 288 plus 22. How much, students? 310. Now cancel 2 and 310. 2 ones are 2. 3 difference. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. So sum of 73 terms. N value is 73. No, so 73 into 155. So what is the value, students? Sum of 73 terms will be equal to 11,315. Did you understand, students? They are asking us to find the numbers between 10 and 300 and also find their sum. Okay. So 73 numbers are there and their sum is 11,315. Did you understand, students? Students, the next question is, if 2x and x plus 10 and 3x plus 2 are three consecutive terms of an AP. Consecutive term means side by side. Okay. Then the value of x they are asking. So they have given the first term 2x and second term x plus 10 and third term 3x plus 2. Okay. Now let us find. So how to solve the value of x? Let us see here. So we know that the common difference is same for each and every arithmetic progression, isn't it? Let us find the common difference first. So what is the formula for common difference? Common difference formula is a2 minus a1. That will be equal to a3 minus a2. And this will also be equal to a4 minus a3, and this goes on. Clear? So we are going to take this part and we are going to solve the value of x. Okay. What is a2? That is x plus 10 minus a1 is 2x will be equal to, what is a3? 3x plus 2 minus a2. a2 is having two terms. So here negative sign is there. Use bracket, students. X plus 10. Right now solve this. X minus 2x gives minus x plus 10 will be equal to 3x plus 2 minus x minus 10. If we have a negative sign before a bracket, write the additive inverses of x and 10. Clear? So now solve transpose x terms towards one side and constant terms towards another side. Okay, so here minus x I'm writing here, I'm transposing 3x and x. Okay, and in RHS side we have plus 2, minus 10 and minus 10. We are transposing from plus 10 transposed becomes minus 10. So minus x minus 3x. So minus x plus x, the value will become 0. So minus 3x will be equal to minus 10 minus 10 minus 20 plus 2. How much? Minus 18. Now solve for x. So minus 18 divided by minus 3. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 6. Did you understand, students? Students, the next question is solve the equation for x. So here they have given one equation and they are asking us to find the value of x. So this is like 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus so on up to x is equal to 287. If you see here they have given sum of n terms. Okay, sum of n terms they have given. So x terms are there. After adding these all terms, you will get the value 287. Okay. So what is n? We don't know. We have to find that is what. Okay. So next, the first term they have given is 1 and common difference if you calculate 4 minus 1 gives 3. Okay. So first what we have to do is, you know Sn formula. By this you have to find the value of n first. Okay. We don't know how many terms are there. Okay. Next, Sn is equal to, what is the formula, students? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. So apply the values. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. Now solve this. Sn we know the value 287. Okay. You can apply this. 2 plus 3n minus 3. Right. So Sn 287 into 2 is equal to n into 3n minus 1. Okay, distribute here, students. So after multiplying, how much you will get? 574 is equal to 3n square minus n. Okay, this means here 3n square minus n plus 574 becomes minus 574. That is equal to 0. So this is our quadratic equation. What we have to do? A is equal to 3, C is equal to minus 574 and B is equal to minus 1. So what is A into C, students? So 3 into minus 574. So what is the value? So minus 1722. Now what we have to do? How to find the factors? So this one already I have done one video. Link in the description. You can check from that. Okay. 2 8s are 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7. So 41 is a prime factor. So multiply these three, 42 and 41 will be our factors. So minus 42 plus 41 gives minus 1. Clear? So split the middle term. So solve the quadratic equation. 3n square minus 42n plus 41n minus 574 will be equal to 0. Okay. So 3n into n minus 14. Here also we should get n minus 14. So here what will happen? Here plus 41 will be there. This will be equal to 0. So what is a common term? N minus 14, students. So if you take it out, the remaining will be 3n plus 41 will be equal to 0. Now find the value. N will be equal to 14 and n will be equal to minus 41 by 3. So considering only positive values and avoiding the negative values. So what is the value of n? N is equal to 14 and A1 and Sn 287. And the last term they have given is x, students. Okay. So now what we will do? We have to find the value of x. So what is the formula of sum of terms in terms of last term? So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. This is our formula. So Sn how much? So apply all the values to find the value of x, students. 14 by 2 into 1 plus x. Did you understand? Okay. So 2 sevens are 14. So 287 divided by 7 will be equal to 1 plus x, students. Okay. Next, 41 minus 1 will be equal to x. Therefore, what is the value of x? We got the value of x is 40. Did you understand, students?